Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable draw V2 turn on torchlight and draw O2 open camera in lock screen in OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, remember to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Open the settings of the phone and choose system settings and click on the gestures and motions and the screen of gestures. Then enable draw O2 open camera and draw V2 turn on or turn off torchlight. Now we can lock the screen. You can see when you draw V, it will automatically open the torch. Again we draw V, it will turn off. When we draw O, it will open the camera. You can see. And you draw V, torchlight will be opened. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.